Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to create a clickable add to calendar link in your emails using the updated 2026 method in Outlook. So this is perfect for the newsletters or invitations where you want recipients to download an event file directly from a text link. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open Outlook here. Simply just log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of the calendar tab here in the left hand side. Now you need to locate the specific event that you want to share. If you haven't created any of the events over here, you can click on the new events and then you just have to fill out all of these details relating to your events. Basically, you just have to create your events if you haven't already. Now to turn this event into a file, you just have to first of all click and hold the event on your calendar's grid, then drag and drop it onto your computer's desktop. This will automatically create an .ics file for that specific meeting. You can open your web browser and here you can go to the OneDrive. Over here in the OneDrive, you can upload the file which you have just added on your desktop. So once uploaded the file in your OneDrive list, you just have to right click on that and click on the option of share or copy link. Make sure that you allow the permission so that anybody with the link will be able to view it. So from there you can copy the link and send it to wherever you want. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.